Just going to quickly show how we make the traditional rivet. Cut out a kite-shaped piece of copper out of the bits of scrap you have from the cylinder, because it's all recycled copper cylinder, and you make a kite-shaped piece, just even that up a little bit. So you have a kite-shaped piece of copper. You then take the edge of the kite shape, and basically you're trying to turn that into a cone shape piece of metal. You'll see we bang that over. And we've got the cone shape, and then we take this is a handmade yoke for the rivets, just made out of an old pickaxe, and just got a couple of holes drilled in it and a bit of a countersunk on one of the holes, and we put the rivet into the hole and just tap that rivet in, and then we bash the bit that's sticking up or down like that, bash the middle down, and then just round off the top of the rivet with the hammer, just using a smallish hammer. And then with a heavier hammer, when we've got it rounded off, just give it a bash like that and just tap it out from the back. And then take the rivet out. So we've got the rivet. I'll just show you how we rivet that together now. So we want to rivet two pieces together. We just take one piece of metal, and we have no drill, so we're going to punch the metal to the hole. Traditional ways to get a punch. You take the punch over the wood, punch it through. And then where we want to make the other hole, we punch the other hole through, like so. And then we pop the rivet in there, into one hole. And we push it down. And then we put the other bit in. Then, this tool is called a rivet set, and it does a hole in the end. We just put that over the rivet. What it does is it compresses the two pieces of metal together so that the rivet sticks up like that. The rivet's a little bit too long, so we clip off a bit, pinches, and then we use a ball peen. And we mushroom the top over, and the rivet set has a little ball bit in it there, and we pop that over there, give it a hit with the hammer, whoops, give it another hit with another hammer, and Bob's your uncle, we have a rivet.